if we take this cube and we just scale it down, Shift D, duplicate it, Alt S to reset the scale, and we scale this up on the Z. We grab this one, Shift D, duplicate it, grab this one, Shift D, duplicate it, bring it over, S, Shift, and Z. We're just basically duplicating this shape and creating a conglomerate of shapes just to comprise this, concept. But what we want to do is array it and make multiple versions of it. So if I were to press Q and we go under Add Modifier and we choose Array, we see that when we jump over to 3D, it just breaks down. And even in 3D, it still breaks down. So if I press V, we see that it almost works and it looks good for just a moment. In fact, it looks like it's almost capable of working. So there is a chance that it could have actually worked out. However, this is just not accurate enough, and we see that it's getting less accurate as this continues going. So improvements have been made in that regard. So we'll select this cube, press X and delete it, Control V in order to paste in our example, and I'm just going to shift click this in order to have an active selection. And if we were to press Q, go under Add Modifier and choose Array V2, we see that now whenever we array, all the objects are synced up. And there's also an additional hotkey where you can press Shift S in order to get the same way that array was before, or you can actually press Shift S and everything will be synced up to actually match. So just like that, that issue has now been resolved, just showing another improvement with Array V2.